How to be motivated every time. As a human being, we couldn't be motivated every time. We have to discipline ourselves all over the time because we knows that everything we have to maintain our consistency, and consistency is come from our seriousness. If you are really serious regarding your job and any other thing, regardless of your problems, you have to do whatever your plan on the present day, and maybe it will be future day. And today's video is only for how can we motivated every time. Okay, and welcome. This is the day 17 of English speaking challenge. We have completed our 16 days. That's a huge number because we have to appreciate all the journey and process that we had learned in our journey. So only the thing is that how can we motivate every time ourselves, and as well as in our society everyone should be motivated. And the motivation is not a only word, it's a symbol of your hard work and dedication. As a human being, I tell you only the one thing that you should know, and whenever you feel little bit demotivated, then on that time you have to just see your circumstances, whatever the things happen in your surroundings, then only you have to just see that, know your condition, know your present condition. Okay, and if you know what I am today and what I am to be in future, then you can easily do a hard work for that. And so much person who doesn't want to give his 100% for his goal, but he wants something in his life. But for that person, I have only the one answer for them: you couldn't do anything, because as a human being we have to take a action. Only the overthinking and just making a plan day by day and not taking any specific action for that, then it doesn't make a sense. For that you have to implement your action on, execute your idea whatever you had write down in your notice book. So that how can we motivate every time any person, ourselves, and maybe your parents? So the main thing is that you have to see your circumstances, what you are today and what you want to be in your future. The gap between both you have to determine. If you knows that what is my circumstances, then you will never feel demotivated in future. Whenever you feel little bit nervous and your mind is not showing interest on doing that thing, then only you have to see your circumstances. And for maintaining a discipline, you have to do what you want to do on a day, regardless of mind. Your mind says you do or not. You only have to follow your instruction. So These are the things that I have to talk with you, and I did my best. And I have been okay. I tell you one specific thing. I have been using one application. That application name is Peer Up. My friend Krishna Singh has suggested me that you should practice on this application, and I have been using that application since 51 days. This is a huge number. On my initial days, I didn't know how to speak well, and somebody also humiliate me, and I also face a lot of humiliation from others. But I try my best. Whenever I feel little bit nervous, then on that time I only think that what are the mistakes that I had did in my past, and what is the reasonable approach, then how can I solve that problem. For that I only do lot of practice, and now I am with you. And I know that I am not better than any other person, but I did my well. And I think my success is not too far. I have to achieve that success because I have to be a better version of myself one day. Success will not come in one night. This is all the hard work of small effort. Okay, with this line I complete my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.